Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our classes. At present, I am in 9th standard first language English class. In the previous class, we already started new poem. The name of the poem is Ethics. Ethics, this beautiful moral poem composed by Linda Pastan. She was clearly explained in detail about the moral values of human conduct in the poem of Ethics. So, in the previous class, we already learnt an interesting story about the moral ethics. Now, it is the time to understand the stanza wise what she expressed in that stanzas. Okay, so here in ethics class, so many years ago, our teacher asked this question, every fail. That means when she was a student, at the time she learnt about ethics or moral values of the human conduct. So what she learnt in her early life, so she shared with us, and she shared with us in this stanzas in ethics class so many years ago. So many years ago means when she was a student at the time. Our teacher asked this question. What question her teacher asked to her? What is the meaning of ethic? What is the moral value? What is the meaning of moral value? For what reason every human beings should have like this quality? These are all questions asked by the teacher to the Linda Pastan. So she shared with information or her experience in the first stanza. The next one is that if there were a fire in a museum, which would you save? A Rembrandt painting or an old woman whom had not many years left anyhow, restless on hard chairs, caring little for pictures or old age, weed of 1 year for life, the next for art, and always half-heartedly, sometimes the woman borrowed my grandmother's face. Here, Rembrandt painting means, the meaning of the word Rembrandt means it is a name of the painter. He was the famous painter. His nickname Rins. What is the nickname of Rembrandt? Rins. So the duration of period of Rins is 1606 to 1669. So he belonged to Dutch country. That means Dutch painter. Noted his handling of shade and light, especially in his portrait pictures. So I hope you understood about who is Rembrandt. Rembrandt is a painter belonging to Dutch. So he is popularly known as Rins, and also he was a Dutch painter. What is the duration of this painter? 1606 to 1669. What is the speciality of his pictures? The pictures speciality is there handling of shade and light. Every pictures are very attracted when the viewers, observers standing in front of that picture, they are forgotten themselves. Why? Because they are going to their imagination or fantasy and imagination location. So this is the message she shared with us in this passage. The next one is that leaving her usual kitchen to wander some draughty half-imagined museum. 1 year, feeling clever, I replied, why not let the woman decide herself? Once again, leaving her usual kitchen to wander some draughty half-imagined museum. 1 year, feeling clever, I replied, why not let the woman decide herself? When she was in the primary level, that means when she was the student, at the time she observed some of the attractive pictures painted by the Dutch painter. At the time she is remembering in this poem, we are leaving the kitchen but wandering in the museum. Why? Because that museum focused with the well-known painting pictures are there. The next one. Linda, the teacher, would report, excuse the burden of responsibility. This fall in a real museum, I stand before a real Rembrandt. Old woman, or nearly so myself, the colors within this frame are darker than atom. So, one picture is very attractive that mainly focused on the season of autumn. How is that looking like? The real autumn we have to observe in that picture. So when she was student, at the time she was observed like that picture painted by the Dutch painter in the museum. Finally, she shared with her experience about the fantasy and imagination about the Dutch painter. Here is the last line. Though Earth's most radiant elements burn through the canvas, I know now that woman and painting and season are almost one and all beyond saving by children. So that painting pictures or painted picture still alive. Why? Because those are mainly focusing, those are mainly expression the seasons and their experience through the painted pictures. So this is the meaning of these lines. So dear students, I hope you understood this poem, and if you have any new words or difficult words are there, you should write one side of the notebook and solve when you meet on the Saturday. Okay, thank you.